Hi, everyone. Recently, for our fourth wedding anniversary, Monica and I took a Disney cruise aboard the Disney Wonder. And one of the most memorable experiences we had on board the ship was our dinner at the Animator's Palate dining venue they have. We still talk about it to this day. We weren't ready for just what a fun time was in store for us there, and what a really cool and spectacular animated show they put on there. So I thought I'd make a little clip just about our experience there. If you've ever thought about taking a Disney cruise, watch this. This is one of the many just really cool experiences that Disney puts on for you on their cruises. Enjoy. So we are having dinner tonight at the Animator's Palate, and it looks really cool. The motif is really nice. Good evening. Thank you. You know, the little animation sketches on the wall. Looks so cool. So this is the Animator's Palette. It is so cool looking in here. Currently it's black and white. I think it changes color over time. We are always table number 10, so there's our 10 marker. Monica's taking it all in. All the animation sketches on the wall are starting to become brand new sketches that are being hand drawn in front of us. It's really cool. And I wish I had taken a video of this earlier, but I had serrano ham and manchego cheese and a bread with a little olive tapenade as my starter. This was amazing. So we just got our entrees for dinner tonight. I've got a beef tenderloin medallion served on some mashed potatoes with bok choy. And Monica got this awesome pork chop. What is it, Monica?
It's a crusted pork chop with a tomato risotto and asparagus.
The food at this restaurant's been excellent so far, so I expect nothing less. It looks amazing, smells amazing, and service is so good. We're gonna try it, and I'm sure it won't disappoint. As our evening has gone on and we've progressed through our dinner, there is color being added to all the animated art on the wall now.
How are you going?
And all the waitstaff is just so good, so friendly, so helpful.
Come on, everybody! Here we go!
think, babe?
I loved it.
Yeah.
Every second of it.
Yeah, I did too. It was amazing. Amazing.